Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Jay Kwan.
It's your boy GQ.
Pasó Jovel, Nasty Boy for Life.
Yo.
Sí, vengan con nosotros a celebrar en el Festival Nacional de la Voz y la Canción.
Whatever he said in Spanish, okay? I hope you guys understand to all my white people out there.
That's going to be October 19th, by the way.
Yes.
Correct.
This Sunday. Don't want to miss it. Oh, also, check us out on the 23rd for the breast cancer at Wilcor on the 23rd. Don't miss it. It's going to be me, my boy GQ, Javel, and my girl Deja representing for a cancer benefit.
For the pink, baby.
That's right. And also, we got an exciting show October 25th. Where at, guys?
Puerto Rico!
You know, Stevie B, Robin S, Jake Pwan, Javel, GQ, maybe Deja maybe going to show up,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So,
Deja's going to go. She said she's even going to swim. And shit.
Woo.
You know, one side of her head and shit.
Así que toda mi gente en Puerto Rico, presente.
Presente.
That's right, that's right. Also, check us out, the 31st.
Club Fate in Fort Lauderdale, VIP TV.
It's going to be a Halloween party.
Woo.
Make sure you dress up. Scary looking. Sexy.
Rah.
Exciting. Javel's going to come like that.
Ugly as hell.
GQ's going to come like that. Now, check out the theme, man. Check out on the flyer. It's a nice little theme. It's going to be like the mobsters. So,
yes.
VIP TV is also going to be in the house filming. So, you don't want to miss that. Yo, we got one more coming up for you. Yo, where we going?
November the 1st.
That's
Orlando.
Orlando.
Road
Disney. Road trip. You know how we do it. Road trip.
Road trip.
Me, GQ, and then Javel. We're gonna take it like, you know.
That's it. That's it.
Peace out. You see ya.
JC Entertainment.
All day.